What do you think, Beta? Mommy got you all these balls. I should have turned the video on as soon as I opened up the box and threw them at her because she squealed with excitement. But now what? Are they making you nervous? What's the matter? Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? They're fun. See them? Yeah, that's a purple one. Yes, that's a purple one. There's a yellow one and a green one. Look at them all. They're exciting. Yes, they are. I thought you would like them. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Do you want to bring them all to Mom? Yeah, thank you. Oh, they're nice. Yeah. Oh, and the purple one too? Careful. Yeah. And the red one, and the blue one, and the orange one? And the green one? Yeah, they are everywhere. What do you think? Should I roll them all towards you? There. There. What do you think? Are they fun? Or not so much? Not as much fun as I thought they would be? The squeal was pretty fun. No? Hi. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, he's so tired. Want to snuggles? Okay, snuggle. Snuggle times. Is it snuggle time? You gonna play with your balls? Yeah? Look how many. Oh, yes, pointing at them. Those are nice. Yeah. You silly monkey. Yeah. You gonna go get them? No? They weren't the best gift. No, those weren't the best gift, Mom. Oh, I thought they'd be so much fun. 16 balls. What are you doing? What you doing? Okay, I think she wants the snuggles. Careful. Yeah. You gonna play with the balls or you want the snuggles? What do you want? Oh, a blue one. Yes. What do you think? Are you going to eat it? It's a good thing Mommy washed them all. Because you're allowed to eat it. Yep. Yes. Is it a good ball? How do you like her shoes? Okay. Yes. Woo. Okay. That's it.